keep yourself abreast with the latest updates, and I would urge all the disciplined and dedicated youth of the state to take this as an opportunity and serve the nation and contribute towards the nation building, and do regularly check our official website for all the notifications, various eligibility criterias, and various updates which we keep coming every now and then, which will keep you updated with respect to latest entry which you can apply for. I would also like to touch upon the officers level entry. I have just concluded the Agnipath. In officers level entry, you have National Defence Academy. So all those 12th pass students, they can appear in the UPSC examination for the National Defence Academy, and after going to National Defence Academy, while filling their choices, they can write Army, Navy and Air Force as their choice, and then they can undergo 3 years training at National Defence Academy, followed by 1 year training at their respective academies, that is Indian Military Academy, Air Force Academy and Naval Academy. Then those who are just qualified 12th class and interested in applying for the technical entry scheme, that is all those technical arms and services army. So depending on their JEE main scores, so they can apply, and based upon the merit, they will straight away get a call letter for the service selection board, wherein they can just appear there, and followed by the interviews and the final merit, they can join the respective arms and services in technical. Then there is a graduate level entry also, that is called Combined Defence Services Examination. That is for the graduates, all those graduates who have done graduation and scored 50% marks, they can apply, and while applying they can fill up their choice whether they are interested in Army or Navy, Air Force. Likewise, they have got a technical graduate course also entry, that is also for the those engineers who have done engineers in various stream. They can join Army as an officer after completing their respective degrees from the colleges, any authorized government engineering colleges. So these are the few officers entries, and likewise the same entries, all entries which I have just told, they are not only for the male candidates, all the female candidates can also apply for all these categories, whether it is officers and officers or the Agniveer entries.